like your new tie? It makes you look very handsome.
Oh my God, my Shayla.
Can you hold the fucking light straight?
Bless you.
Oh, hi. Hi. No. No! No!
Ow! I can't even use the bathroom. Get your bad ass.
I love you, you love me.
Everyone dancing merrily. All right, okay.
Mwah! It's not that great.
No, honestly.
Lizzie.
Are you an elf? Oh, oh my God.
Jennifer said you have a bold active feminism.
Oh!
Of the ancient communist.
Oh!
Can you believe it? I'm at that stage. Son of a bitch.
He looks like he's...
Be at home that Santa gave you a few weeks ago.
You're adopted.
Later we'll have some pumpkin pie.
You see how I'm outside and I'm connecting with nature?
I'm Mountain.
It's not open to...
You're everything I need and more. It's real.
What? Talk to him.
It's not open to...
The cat's strange expression.
Hey! Hey!
Can you just hold it? There we go. Thanks, bud.
There you go. Oh, you okay?
Nonsense. What did you do?
Are you cleaning those?
He was already ours.
See if you like some peanut butter. Oh.
Midnight, are you cleaning the table?
Oh my god. Charles, you do not have to stand here.
You inside the apartment! Your neighbor saw you go inside!
Ganni mi gato, dei miei amici.
Shut.
Baba Booey.
Bruh.
You love your puppy. Yeah.
En die schok is vol poes. Ja, weet je niet zo mooi.
Ma'am.
Hey.
Misty. Cutting onions and the cat is sitting there like crying. Baby, it's me. It's me. Hey, what's up?
No! God, please, no! No! No!
Hey, Barbie. What are you doing? You scratch mine.
It's official. Oh.
Catlet.
Please walk away. No.
This is Henry. Say hi. Oh. I'm falling slowly, love with. It's not okay.
Dimitri could have died, but that's why I'm doing business right.
I didn't even see her up there. Déjale la cola en la cabeza.
Como que si tiene hambre este, ¿no? Está mal el baboso. Pendejo.
Strength detector.
Oh! Son of a bitch. You got me pulled out. You were like.
Stop it. One thing they don't tell you about owning a German Shepherd is that they are very good at throwing things with their mouth. Yeah.
Jackie, what did you do?
Often lose it with age. But the difficulties don't end there. Pure white cats are the most vulnerable. Their skin is practically unprotected from the sun, and they get sick more often. Their eyes
Fall! You're gonna fall!
Is the cactus your best friend?
this. In ancient times, white cats were considered a symbol of wealth and good fortune. In England, people believed they brought money, and in Japan, that they protected against evil spirits. So if you
They're hard to photograph well, so they often go unnoticed.
Jesus.
Niye bağırıyordu? Kaç kişiydi?
This motherfucker just ate my pizza.
Got it, my boy?
Happen to have a white cat? Know that you are living right next to a true talisman. Do you have a cat or a dog? Let us know in the comments below.
Huh? Bro, I can't even take a deuce in peas, bro.
That's a lot.
No, it's okay, it's okay.